Welcome, beautiful being. This is Sacred Pulse, a journey where breath meets beat, where your body becomes rhythm, and every movement is devotion. You don't need to dance. You just need to feel, to breathe, to surrender. Let's begin. Come to a standing position. Feet grounded, knees soft, eyes closed, hands resting on your lower belly and heart. Take a deep inhale. Exhale with a sound. Haya. Let your awareness drop into your body. Feel the drumbeat of your own heart, the rhythm of your breath, the electricity in your skin. Start to sway gently, left and right, forward and back. Let your breath become the beat. Inhale. Exhale. Feel it. You are entering the sacred pulse. Now let's build energy through the breath. Start with fire breath. Quick inhales and exhales through the nose. Sniff, 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 sniff. Let it stoke your inner flame. Now pause. Feel the tingle, feel the pulse. Bring your hands to your body and begin body percussion. Gently pat your chest. Tap your belly. Clap. Slap your thighs. Create your own rhythm. Let the beat wake you up. This is primal. This is presence. This is play. Breathe and tap. Move with it. Let it ripple through your whole being. Let the percussion melt into free movement. Let the rhythm expand. Hips circling, shoulders rolling, spine undulating. Move as your breath moves you. Let sound escape your lips. Moans, sighs, hums, all welcome. This is your body remembering its own music. You are the instrument. You are the song. Move as slowly or wildly as you feel. Let go of how it looks. Drop into how it feels. Place your hands on your heart. Feel it beating. Your inner drum. Now move from this space. Let your arms express. Let your chest open. Let your hips offer. With every movement, say inwardly, I am alive. I am rhythm. I am the pulse of love. Let your dance become ecstatic prayer. Let your feet stamp the earth. Let your fingers trace circles in the air. This is Tantra in motion. Your body worshiping existence. Begin to slow down. Let your movement become subtle, then still. Come to standing or kneeling. Hands over your heart and belly. Eyes closed. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Exhale slow. Feel the afterglow. Feel the beat within. Whisper softly to yourself, I am the sacred pulse. I am the breath. I am the beat. I am love embodied. Let yourself receive all that you just opened. Inhale deeply. Exhale with gratitude. If your heart was touched by this dance, if your spirit remembered something sacred, come back to this practice anytime you need to awaken the rhythm within. Like, comment, and subscribe to keep dancing the tantric path with me. The sacred pulse is always here. Inside you. Calling you home. Namaste, wild one. See you in the next temple.